Hello, good day. My name is Ahmed Abdulgani Ochietewun. Today I'm going to show you how to compute in Excel, how to compute product in Excel. Maybe as a business person, you are selling a product where you have quantity and the fixed. You have a price, you have quantity and the rest. You want to compute those things, the number of items you've sold, or if somebody requested for maybe 20 items of different products, and you have to calculate those things instead of you wasting your time calculating using a calculator. You can quickly go to your system, open your Excel, since you've already programmed it in such a way that once you enter the amount and the number of products the person purchased, to give a total without any stress. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to do all those things. Very easy.
Book. Here, as a business person, I have different kind of item I sell. So, and a lot of quantities people are demanding, and I want to have a software that will help me to compute those things without any stress. First of all, I will type the heading of my work: compute product. Press enter. Then I'll have serial number, the items. Item is same thing as the product. Then price. Per unit. Then quantity, then total. So I have to adjust my columns here to fit in. Item should be bigger since some names will be longer. Then price, units, quantity and total. Here, let me go ahead before I'll format the work. Number one item here, I have bread. Number two, I have Coke. Number three, I have shirt. Number four, I have trousers. Number five, I have skirts. Number 10, I have chair. This is just an example of my list, not that this is not real, just example to make you understand. It depends on what you are selling and what you want to compute. This is just an example. So the bread price is 500 per one. Coke selling 1000 per pack. Shirt 25. Then trouser 3000. Skirts 15. 5,000 naira. So then the quantity, I don't know the number of quantity for now. It depends on the customers. So what I have to do is to compute the total first, so that anytime I enter the quantity, I'll have the total at a spot. So what do? I put my cursor on total, item 1. Then I'll go up here, formula bar. Then I'll say equal sign in capital letters, sum product. Then I'll open brackets. Which column do I want to harmonize? Is column C and D. I want to join together. I will now say C. Then the C, which rows is the C? The first item is on row 3. Row 3, this is it here. Row 3. And I'll say C3. See that it has been highlighted. The cell has been highlighted. Then I will multiply it using asterisk. Multiply with what? With D. D what? D3. See, the D3 has been highlighted as well. Then I'll close the bracket. Press enter. It shows 0. That means the formula is correct. So in order for me to get the remaining one, I don't have to go back and type the formula again. No, Excel make it easy. So what I have to do is just to come down here, put my cursor here. Once it turns to plus sign, I click on it, hold it down, then drag it to the end of my product. So the formula has been copied to each and every column and each and every row, sorry. So here, let's say the customer want to buy maybe 5 bread. I'll put 5 here to give me the total automatically. Then Coke, we want to buy 5 packs. 5 shirts, 10 packs, 10 trouser, 3 shirt, 3 phone, 2 bags. Let me leave it at bag. We have 3 chocolates, 10 bed, 2 chair, 4. So as you can see, as I'm putting my quantities, I don't have to go and calculate how many bed 500 times 5. No, as you're putting it, it will give you a total direct because you've already programmed it. So here we need to have grand total. Grand total. So we'll come here. The number of quantities, we need it, and we need total of the money here. Let me expand this thing more. So what do we have to do to get the total of this? After we put our cursor where we want the data to appear, we go back to formula bar again. We said equal sign sum open bracket. What do we want to sum? We want to sum from this here, item 1 to item 10. Then on the row, look at the row, the item 1 start from row 3 and end at row 12. These are the numbers you are going to use in your formula, not the one here. So then the first one appear on what? Row 3. Then I will say row 3 under what? C. No, under D. This is D column. D column. Now say D 3. See, it has been highlighted. It has been highlighted. It has been highlighted. Then I will now put column. Column serve as plus. Plus what? What am I adding together? I'm going to add the whole item from 1 to 10. Then under what? They are still under D. I will now say D. Which row did item 10 stop? 12. So D 12. See, it has been highlighted. I'll close my brackets. This is what I want to add. They are the one in blue color. When I press enter on my keyboard, automatically it will give me the total of the quantities. Here, I want to get data here too. I don't have to use this formula here again. What I have to do is just click on this one, then put my cursor here, drag it to the end where I want the other one to appear, and to give me data. Straightforward, no stress, right? Hope you are following. So when you look at the figures here, we're talking about money. At least there should be comma to separate these numbers in order to make it easy to understand or to pronounce, but they are not here. They are not here. What do? We highlight the column, the first item to the last item. Then we come up and click on this number format. Click on it. You wait for it to appear. So we go to custom. Under number, you go to custom. When you come to custom, the number 1 item there appear here, 500. It show you as a sample. Then you'll be looking at that. Here we have general. It's on general. That's why it's not showing comma or full stop. So what we want comma to differentiate our numbers. So I'll pick on this third one. You see that comma has appeared here. So this one is just 3 digits. That's why comma did not appear. So after I take this one, I'll click OK. See that the commands has appeared. It's 1000, 25, and the rest. The same thing goes to this one. Highlight it to the end. Come to number format. Click on this. So you click on custom. Select this third one and OK. Same thing has appeared here. So we can now bold this one since it's now this is for the informatics. Bold this one. So this one here, let me format it too. I want it to appear at the middle. What do? I'll highlight the columns down to where my work stops. Then I'll come here and click on this arrow facing down where we have merge and center. I click on this one, then select merge cells, then centralize it, bold it as your heading since it's heading. The same thing with this heading, subheadings here. You highlight it, you bold. Then, mind you, in Excel, the cells here appear like a table. The rows and columns appear in a table format, as if it is inside table already, but it's not true. When you look at the preview, the print preview, you know that the work is not in table. So I will click on print, see my preview here. See the preview, the work is scattered. There is no table on it. So what do? I'll go back. You have to insert table by yourself in Excel. You can insert table before you start your work or after you finish your work. Not like Microsoft Word that you have to insert the table before you start your work. So here, how do I insert my table to make the work look clean? I'll highlight from this serial number down to total, take it down to this place. It's highlighted. Then I'll come to this place here, border, bottom border. This is borders. I'll click on this arrow. It should open all the borders here. Then I'll say all borders. All borders to only the place I highlighted. All borders. See that the line has changed. It's more thicker than it was before. So I'll do the same thing to this place because I want to have different column, different borders here. I'll go back there. It's still highlighted. I'll say all borders. Then I'll come to this place. These 3 columns. I don't want this line in the middle and the other one here to show. What do? I'll come here. I'll say outside borders. Outside borders. So let's go back to preview and see if there is changes. Click on file, print. See the work look more neater now and better. So I want to change the fonts to the one that I like, prefer Times New Roman. Then I want to centralize this one to make the table look neat and presentable. Click on center. Then I'll highlight this one too. Click on center. Here, this one. You can leave it this way or you can put it the other way by highlighting it. If you want it at left side, you do it this way. If you want it at the right side the way it is, you leave it there. It depends on you. Then this one, this heading, you can also put them at the center to make the work look neat. This price per unit is cutting, so you can expand it small. Show everything inside there. So we close this one small. So this is how we compute in Excel like the way we did it here. So there are other things you can do with Excel. Those ones will come your way soon. That brings us to the end of this video. So after we finish everything like this, we can now save our file so that we can keep using. We don't have to go and create another file again and start programming it. No, we can be using this file as long as we want to use it. We'll save it for future purpose, for daily use, and so on. Click on File, Save As. I'm saving it for the first time. Computer, Desktop. So I'll name it my product. Now save. So the work has been saved. So I can now close it.
So if you like this video, kindly click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell so that you be the first person to receive an update anytime a video is being uploaded on this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.